Bolt 4K marked a huge leap forward in the advancement of wireless video technology. We aimed to raise the bar by delivering an unprecedented, industry-first, zero-delay 4K HDR wireless video experience. With these advancements came the Bolt 4K ecosystem. The current lineup can be broken down into two families: the original Bolt 4K and the Bolt 4K LT, each with their unique characteristics that make them invaluable on set. Today we're unveiling a new hybrid kit from the Bolt 4K lineup that combines a lightweight Bolt 4K LT transmitter with a fully featured Bolt 4K receiver. Customers love the lightweight versatility of the Bolt 4K LT transmitter. The compact form factor makes them ideal for keeping your camera build as minimal as possible while still delivering an incredibly high quality, zero delay image. Customers also love the added power that comes with the Bolt 4K receiver, which gives you the benefit of dual 12G SDI outputs, integrated battery plates for power, as well as added software features such as 3D LUTs, wireless analysis tools, and more. Seeing how there is a complete interoperability between all units in the Bolt 4K family, it only made sense for us to combine the two and create a kit that gives you the best of both worlds. We have kits available in each range option: 750 feet, 1500 feet, and 5000 plus feet, also known as our Max kits. With each kit, you'll have a compact Bolt 4K LT transmitter, perfect for gimbals, drones, or any other camera build. This transmitter can send a full 4K signal through HDMI or a full HD signal through 3G SDI. On the receiving end, you'll be primed with a powerful Bolt 4K receiver, capable of a complete 12G SDI or 4K HDMI workflow. Like all Bolt 4K systems, these kits are also configurable with our app, which allows for wireless pairing, real-time diagnostics, and more. These kits are designed off our award-winning BB3 wireless video technology and provide a fantastic foundation for you to build out your Bolt 4K system.